Question 41. How do you define collective leadership? And what are its core components in fostering an effective team environment? Collective leadership emphasizes shared responsibility among team members rather than a single authoritative figure. Its core components include mutual accountability, open communication, diverse perspectives, and collaborative decision-making. This approach fosters trust and innovation, allowing teams to leverage individual strengths while achieving common goals. By promoting inclusivity, collective leadership encourages team members to contribute actively, leading to higher engagement and ownership of outcomes. Additionally, it enables adaptive responses to challenges, as the diverse insights foster resilience and creativity in problem-solving. Question 42. What tools or platforms do you recommend for enhancing collaboration in a remote team setting? For remote team collaboration, I recommend tools like Microsoft Teams for communication, Trello or Asana for project management, and Miro for interactive brainstorming. These platforms facilitate real-time communication, task tracking, and visual collaboration. Microsoft Teams integrates chat, video conferencing, and file sharing, creating a central hub for team interactions. Trello and Asana enable transparent project management, allowing teams to assign tasks and monitor progress visually. Miro enhances creativity through collaborative whiteboards for brainstorming sessions. Together, these tools create a cohesive environment that nurtures collective leadership by ensuring all team members remain engaged and informed. Question 43. Can you describe a time when you successfully implemented a CI/CD pipeline? What challenges did you face? In a previous role, I implemented a CI/CD pipeline using Jenkins and GitLab. The primary challenge was integrating legacy systems while ensuring minimal disruption. I started by mapping existing workflows, identifying bottlenecks, and gradually transitioning components to the new pipeline. Establishing automated testing was crucial. I collaborated with developers to create comprehensive test suites. Another challenge was team resistance to change. I hosted workshops to demonstrate the benefits of CI/CD, emphasizing faster deployment cycles and increased code quality. Ultimately, the pipeline reduced deployment time by 40%, enhancing our ability to deliver features rapidly. Question 44. How would you approach troubleshooting a critical issue in a cloud-based application? To troubleshoot a critical issue in a cloud-based application, I would follow a structured approach. First, I would gather information about the issue, including logs, user reports, and performance metrics. Next, I would identify the affected components, whether it's the application, database, or network. Utilizing cloud provider tools like AWS CloudWatch or Azure Monitor helps in pinpointing the source of the problem. I would then replicate the issue in a staging environment if possible, allowing for controlled testing. Collaboration with the development and operations teams is essential. We would analyze potential causes and implement a resolution, followed by a postmortem to prevent recurrence. Question 45. What role does cultural fit play in collective leadership, and how do you assess it in teams? Cultural fit is pivotal in collective leadership, as it influences collaboration and trust among team members. To assess cultural fit, I evaluate alignment with organizational values, communication styles, and conflict resolution approaches. During team-building activities and interviews, I observe how individuals interact, share ideas, and respond to differing opinions. Surveys can also provide insights into team dynamics and individual perceptions of culture. Additionally, I facilitate discussions about values and expectations to clarify alignment. Ensuring a strong cultural fit fosters a cohesive team environment, enhancing collective leadership effectiveness, and ultimately driving better outcomes. Question 46. What strategies would you employ to facilitate decision-making in a diverse team with conflicting viewpoints? To facilitate decision-making in a diverse team with conflicting viewpoints, I would implement structured dialogue techniques, such as the Delphi method or nominal group technique. These approaches encourage all voices to be heard, while minimizing dominance from any single perspective. I would start by establishing clear objectives for the decision and outlining the criteria for evaluation. Creating a safe environment for sharing differing opinions fosters openness. I would also encourage active listening and empathy, enabling team members to understand each other's viewpoints better. After discussing options, I would guide the team toward consensus or vote on the best course of action, ensuring all contributions are valued. Question 47. How do you leverage feedback mechanisms to enhance collective leadership within a team? I leverage feedback mechanisms by implementing regular check-ins, 360-degree feedback, and anonymous surveys. Regular check-ins create opportunities for open dialogue regarding progress and challenges, while 360-degree feedback provides insights from peers, subordinates, and superiors, fostering a holistic understanding of team dynamics. Anonymous surveys encourage honest feedback on leadership effectiveness and team collaboration. I emphasize the importance of constructive feedback and create a culture where it is viewed as a tool for growth rather than criticism. By analyzing feedback trends, I can identify areas for improvement, celebrate successes, and adapt strategies, ultimately enhancing collective leadership and team performance. Question 48. Describe your experience with cloud architecture and how it impacts collective leadership practices. My experience with cloud architecture includes designing scalable, resilient systems using AWS and Azure. Effective cloud architecture supports collective leadership by providing a shared platform where teams can collaborate seamlessly. By leveraging microservices and containerization, teams can work independently on components while maintaining integration. This autonomy fosters accountability among team members, as they can deploy and manage their services. Additionally, cloud solutions enable real-time data sharing, enhancing transparency and informing collective decision-making. By adopting best practices in cloud architecture, teams are empowered to innovate and respond quickly to changing requirements, ultimately supporting collective leadership principles. Question 49. How would you address a situation where a team member consistently undermines collective leadership efforts? Addressing an undermining team member requires a thoughtful and direct approach. I would first seek to understand their perspective by initiating a private conversation to discuss their behavior and its impact on the team. Active listening is essential to uncover any underlying concerns or motivations. If the issue persists, I would provide constructive feedback, emphasizing the importance of collective leadership principles and the need for collaboration. If necessary, I would involve a mediator or HR to facilitate a resolution. Ultimately, fostering an inclusive environment is crucial. I would also reinforce positive behaviors within the team to model the collaborative culture we aim to achieve. Question 50. Can you explain the significance of documentation in collective leadership and how you encourage it? Documentation is vital in collective leadership, as it ensures shared understanding and continuity within the team. It serves as a reference for decisions made, processes followed, and knowledge gained. To encourage documentation, I promote a culture of transparency by integrating it into team workflows. I suggest using collaborative tools like Confluence or Google Docs, where everyone can contribute and access information easily. I also advocate for documentation during meetings, ensuring that key points and action items are recorded. Regularly reviewing and updating documentation reinforces its importance, helping to maintain alignment and fostering an environment where knowledge sharing is valued. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.